Hello folks, welcome back to another dog training tutorial video. Yes, you know it. Today we're going to work on the next important skill, which is teaching your dog to stay. So for step 1, put your dog in a sitting or lying position, give the command stay or wait, then take one small step back. If your dog stays in position, reward them immediately. Why start this small? Because dogs, especially puppies, who don't know this command yet, will naturally stand up and follow you as soon as you move away, since they want to stay close to you. For the next step, simply increase the distance by taking a slightly bigger step backwards. And if that goes well, then try taking 2 steps backwards. And then increase it to 3 steps backwards. And simply continue training this by gradually taking more and bigger steps backwards. Always reward your dog when they stay in the same position. That was it, basically. It's quite easy to train when you follow these steps. It's all about working in small steps and gradually increasing the distance between you and your dog. And very important here is patience. And of course, always reward your dog. I hope this short tutorial can help you out. If you have any questions or suggestions for a video, let me know in the comments or send me a DM.